Sometimes I wish I had a job like that guy.
So you could listen to Cubs bitch all day long?
Something without consequence.
I think what you mean to say is that you wish that you weren't cursed with the conscience.
Oh, it's definitely a burden.
It also makes us human.
Unless you're a sociopath.
Oh, come on. You actually think that Annabeth is a sociopath?
I think she knew what she was doing, and I think she didn't care.
Or she didn't see another way out.
Yeah, there we go.
Well, luckily, we don't have to read her mind.
But we do, Rollins. 80 grand a year, and we get to determine who's spending the rest of their life in a cage and who's gonna eat dinner at Del Frisco's.
Worrying about it is way above our pay grade.
We do worry about it. At least we usually do.
Yeah, you never wanted to put a couple of pops between some guy's eyes. I mean, no, because I wanted to, and I would have really enjoyed it, but I didn't.
Because you knew that it was wrong.
Because I knew the consequences, and I chose not
And
to.
maybe she didn't have that luxury.
Annabeth chose it. She chose to end that man's life. She chose to take someone's life, to break the law. It's free will. I mean, come on, we all learn about it in Sunday school.
Yeah. We're free, all right. We're free to believe in the guy upstairs or not. It's like a perjury trap.
Okay. All we have to do is go up on the stand and say what happened. There's no choices. There's no consequences to you.
They put a crown of thorns on Jesus. But that did not make him king.
What is he talking about?
And neither does our shield.
But what we say in that courtroom, Lieutenant, how we say it, this game could be over before it starts.
You know what? If you want to commit perjury because Tommy hurt Annabeth's feelings...
So, damn it, Rollins, it is more complicated than that, and you know it.
Okay.
Perjury. I'm talking about the truth here, and I'm gonna make sure the jury sees it.
Yeah, and Liv's testimony is gonna turn them the other way.
If I tell them exactly, verbatim, what Annabeth told me.
Lieutenant, I know the law better than anybody in this room, but I also know my moral responsibility. Killing Tommy was Annabeth's only option. Now, the law says that that's wrong. But morally...
You're not a priest,
morally,
Gracie.
the result is just.
You know what? I've got one question for you. Why didn't she walk out the door? Why
What?
didn't she leave the damn bastard?
Are you kidding me, Amanda?
No, for it to be a justifiable homicide, there had to be an imminent threat of death or serious physical harm, right? And was Tommy about to beat Annabeth? No. Was he about to rape her? No. You know how I know that? Because that's what she told you.
When I was in the bag, I took a domestic disturbance call. All right? Craig and Ellen Carter. The neighbor was complaining because they were screaming at each other all night. They were cursing. So I show up. I calm everybody down and do, you know, what we're supposed to do. And I'm looking at this guy, and I can just see in his eyes. And he's got that smirk, you know. So, I take Ellen outside, and I said, listen, you gotta stand up for yourself. I told her that she needed to leave this guy. But there's no signs of physical violence, so that's all I can do. A month later, I get another call. Same house, same complaint. Only this time, Craig is taking her head and bashed it against the wall, and she's dead. So don't you stand there and say that all she had to do was walk out the damn door.
Detective Carisi.
That's me.
Part 33.